Welcome to Narisaki, and today let's make turmeric milk vegan, lactose free. We are making almond milk. So I have taken 15 to 20 almonds soaked in water for about 5 to 6 hours, and then peel off the skin. Almond soaking and peeling makes it easier. It's a healthier way to use almonds. So now we are going to put it in the blender and add a little bit of water initially. It will help to uh, grind the almonds very easily. Black pepper powder, which will activate the turmeric. Cinnamon powder, very good, another herb. Dry ginger powder. If you have fresh ginger, you can grate the ginger and add to this. And turmeric powder. So now we are going to add sweetener. I am using jaggery. You can use sweetener of your choice, coconut sugar, palm sugar, whatever you like. So blend it with little bit of water. Fats in the almond and black pepper will help to activate the turmeric and better absorption of turmeric in the body. Now add more water. Altogether, I've added 2 glasses of water. Blend it again. This can be your morning drink or before going to bed. It's very relaxing, very healthy. So pour it in a pan and warm. Do not boil the almond milk as it may curdle and also alter the taste. So just heat it up on a low flame and keep on stirring as it tends to settle down the almond milk. So keep on stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes, and this almond milk is ready to serve. The almond fats, black pepper, cinnamon, all the ingredients will help to activate turmeric and better absorption of turmeric in the body. Do try this and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please subscribe Nariseki for more videos. Thank you.